top stories. Government of India and ASEAN IM to hold crucial meeting in New Delhi today. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, P.B. Acharya interact with beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat. And Manipur ready for celebration of Diwali. A very good afternoon. Times of Manipur wishes everyone a very happy Diwali. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Government of India representative and interlocutor for Naga Peace Talks R.N. Ravi and NACN IM delegation led by Ato Kilonsar and Chief Negotiator T.H. Muiva will sit for a crucial meeting today in New Delhi. Monday's meeting is likely to be the final meeting before the 3-month deadline set by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to conclude the negotiation expires on October 31st. Government of India and NACN IM have not been able to amicably settle the latter's demand for separate Naga national flag and constitution. Since then, NACN IM through its MIP has issued several press statements condemning Government of India's, particularly the interlocutor, approach in handling the group's demand for separate Naga national flag and constitution. To resolve this contentious issue, Ravi and NACN IM led by T.H. Muiva have held series of meetings till October 24th with no positive outcome. After October 28th Monday meeting with NACN IM, the interlocutor will meet Working Committee WC of Naga National Political Groups NNPGS led by its convener and Kitovi Jimomi on October 29 in New Delhi. Depending on the outcome of October 28 and October 29 crucial meetings, Ravi is likely to convene a joint meeting with both the negotiating parties, NACN and NNPGs, where he is expected to work out modalities for all negotiating parties to jointly sign the final agreement. At present, there are 8 NPGs in the peace process, namely NACN, GPRN, IM. The group has been negotiating for over 22 years and GPRN, NACN, NACN, GPRN, K, NACN, Reformation, NNC, FGN, NNC and GPN, NNC, GDRN and NNC parent body. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today interacted with the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat at his residence on the occasion of Diwali. Former Governor of Nagaland, P.B. Acharya, who was present at the event, wished for a prosperous Manipur and a peaceful solution to the Naga political problem. BJP Manipur Pradesh President in charge Salam Joy was also present during the event. The interaction was held on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's instruction given to all the MPs. Ayushman Bharat card holders attended the interaction program.
Makada lying bagi satpa matamda kudong chadaba hospital da thegnaba awaba singado madusu aikoi gi Bharatiya Janata Party gi state asida leiriba unit asigi khoi gi worker khudingmakta pau tambiraga Mapungoina Bharatiya Janata Party ki serious workers in the Haibiraga Madugi Awarapa do I quite a Senzage Habase Nasigi Mayamgi breakfast over Numisida Pongdoksari Santi say Kuipunamagna support over Manipur territorial integrity so Kahendaba Levak Prazagi Mipa in Abasula Hendaba Adumayam Ing Chikba Modijina Pamjaba Northeast India say I quite Punamagna Sigi Numisidagi I quite Wakalda Amambale Rambado Mado Dipavali Mangal Sinai Coaching Alhalaga Santi Purakpa I could ing a single Laminava Jati Masen Nungsinava Hibado Nasigi Numit Asidagi Oirasi Haidanai Miamda I Haizeri.
P.B. Acharya also wished a very happy Diwali to the people of Manipur. He expressed happiness to interact with the talented people of the state and also with the Ayushman Bharat card holders. Acharya hoped that the Indo-Naga peace talks would end with a peaceful final solution without disturbing the territorial integrity of Manipur. He asserted that every individual has the right to enjoy freedom. People in Manipur are almost ready for the celebration of the Festival of Lights, Diwali. Crowds are making a beamline in the market, including famous Imphal Khwairamban Ima Market, to shop some of the best decorative items ahead of Diwali and also gift for Ningol Chakuba, one of the biggest festivals of Meitei community. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has conveyed warm greetings and good wishes to the people of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Diwali. In his message, the Chief Minister said that Diwali is celebrated to commemorate Lord Ram's return to his kingdom Ayodhya after completing 14 years in exile. The festival signifies the victory of good over evil, a value which is common to every civilization of every age. He wished the people of Manipur a very peaceful and happy Diwali.
Sahigi pagi Hindu drama satpasing Diwali festival na lakpasida Manipur ki miyam amadi Bharat ki miyam da Diwali ki yape paujel pijari loinana masigi Diwali na piriba mangal siga loinana mamna lairamba bhap tanadana lairamba Dati masel ki marak lairamba bhap tanada basing punamak samthokpa oidana ingna singna leiba Bharat ingna singna leiba Manipur ohenbiba oirasnu haidana isor partner tawjari.
Well, it's time for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakuba. Ningol Chakuba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga, ekoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back after the break. The Laima Pokpum Apunda Maira Paibe, backed by volunteers of different local clubs, held a torch rally last night with regard to the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks at Laima Pokpum, Bisnupur district. The demonstrators held placards that read, "Give peace, not peace," and "Long live Manipur." Assam Pradesh Congress Committee APCC President Ripun Bora hit back at Chief Minister Sarbanandan Sonowal. Bora was critical of Sonowal's declaration that anybody having more than 2 children will not be entitled to government jobs. Bora said nobody can impose the 2-child policy on anyone in a democratic country. Bora, a Rajya Sabha member, on Sunday criticized Assam Cabinet's latest decision to deprive people having more than 2 children of government's job from January 1st, 2021. The excess water released from NIPCO-operated Kopili Hydroelectric Project in Dimaso district and incessant rain since last Thursday resulted into flash flood and disrupted normal life in some places of Hosai district. The overflowing water of the Kopili river has inundated many villages of Hosai district like Kumrakata, Raikata, Thaplaguri, Kanduguri, Novanga and many other villages. It has also destroyed standing crops in huge quantity. In Kumrakata, the main road connecting Hosai and West Karbi Anglong is completely flooded. Locals are using ferry service to move between villages. The historic Navanga Kali temple is also inundated in flash flood. The 2-year-old boy who is trapped in a borewell in Tamil Nadu's Trichy since Friday has fainted, authorities said last night. As per media reports, Sujit, who was initially trapped at a depth of 26 feet, fell down to a height of 70 feet after the rescuers tried to pull him. The rescue team is reportedly digging 1 meter wide tunnel parallel to the borewell to reach him and rescue the boy. The rescue team is taking measures to prevent the child from falling further deep. The boy, who is without food and water, is being supplied with water, but he is not responding to calls now. Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam had reached the spot and met Sujit's family. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount Pizzavi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizzaba discount name, Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanik Nachingba Makal Suna Fang Biragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalaikai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Koji Homestay Koina Chaturanga Yumda Nungaina Fothabiu, Lakliba festive season da Hakchang Pana, Nungaina celebrate Tobiu, Rupees 4,999 Pamung Lighting Sing Labiu, Aduga, Rupees 999 Apamba Pochai Lem the Lobiu, Sizinaraba Pilosing Pubirau, Anoba Amana Mahut Sinbiu, Kaubiraganu, Langsin Biraksi, Koji Homestay, Olympiac Shopping Complex, Dinku Road, Imphal, mobile number 961-273-2809.
Imphal Spine and Pain Clinic, Chief Consultant Dr. Susil Loitongbam, MBBS, MD, PMR, AIMS, New Delhi, FIPM, Fellow in Pain Management, DPMC, Delhi. Practicing the most advanced techniques like ACS, autologous conditioned serum, peripheral neurolysis, PRP, Botox, trigger points injection, SABP, spinal and body posture analysis, transformational spinal block, foot analysis, headache clinic. Men Center, Sangai Pro, opposite ISKCON Temple. Also, please inquire for home clinic at 8787859957 or 8575615252 or 7005198066.
Welcome back. Bangladesh economy has been able to sustain strong growth in 2019-2020, primarily due to rising exports and record remittances. According to media reports, this was stated in a new World Bank report, Bangladesh Development Update, October 2019. Tertiary education and job skills remittances grew up by 9.8%, reaching a record of $16.4 billion in financial year 2019. The contribution of net export growth was positive, supported by a diversion of garment export orders from China and a decline in imports. Agricultural and pharmaceutical exports led non-RMG export growth. However, leather and leather product exports declined by 6%. Net foreign direct investment (FDI) increased by 42.9% from a low baseline with investments in the power, food and textile sectors. Private consumption grew by 5.4%. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Roger Federer claims a record extending 10th Swiss Indoors Championship title in his hometown of Basel with a crushing 6-2, 6-2 victory over Australia's Alex de Minaur yesterday. The 38-year-old Swiss has now won 103 singles titles in his career, and the record win in Basel was the second time he had won a tournament, 10 times after achieving the feat in Halle in June. Federer converted 4 of 10 break points and did not drop serve to wrap up the match in 68 minutes for his fourth title of the year after wins in Dubai, Miami and Halle. Federer and de Minaur traded blows with long baseline exchanges early in the match, including an absorbing 39-shot rally when Federer led 2-1 before the Swiss stepped up a gear to break his opponent twice and take the opening set. Federer was ruthless on his serve and retained his momentum and intensity in the second set, moving into a 3-0 lead after winning 5 games in a row before de Minaur held. Lewis Hamilton dropped to a near flawless victory, but not yet a 6 drivers World Championship yesterday when he claimed his 10th win of this season for Mercedes at the Mexican Grand Prix. The defending 5-time title winner produced the measured drive of a champion-elect to claim a well-judged triumph ahead of Ferrari's Sebastian Vettel and his Mercedes teammate Valtteri Bottas, who kept his own title bid alive for another week by finishing third. Charles Leclerc, who started on pole position in the second Ferrari, finished fourth ahead of Red Bull's Alex Albon and Max Verstappen, who stormed through the field after an early pit stop. The local hero Sergio Perez of Racing Point, Hamilton's victory was only his second since Formula One's European summer break in August, his second in Mexico and the 83rd of his career, but it was also Mercedes' 100th victory in F1 and extended his run points scoring finishes to 30 races. He now looks certain to clinch his 6th title at next weekend's United States Grand Prix in Austin, Texas, where he will need just 4 points. Let's now have the top stories of local newspaper headlines.
Disangai Express. Government may sign Naga Pact Sense NSNIM on October 31. NSNIM, the first initiate the peace negotiations with New Delhi in 1997, continues to be a stumbling block. NSNIM bears pangs at Rabi. Rivers in Spat flood in Ziri, Kangpokpi. Thadao in PRJs. The People's Chronicle. Government may sign Naga Pact Sense NSNIM on October 31. Rabi to meet NPGs on October 28-29. Kokomi gives call to sustain protests, plea for sanity. Modi government using army as tool, CPI. Ibobe ridicules trip deferment over Diwali saddle. Imphal Free Press. Opposition slams state BJP for failing to get appointment with central leaders. Dashes from giving communal remarks, Apil Kokomi. Iril River destroys new Sambung Bridge. The Morning Bell. High alert in Nagaland, Manipur ahead of October 31 deadline. Rabi to meet NSNIM today. Government may sign Naga Pact even without NSNIM on October 31. Congress slams BJP for failing to send all political party delegation to meet Prime Minister. Naga of Manipur not indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland, SC Jamir.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Government of India NSCN-IM to hold crucial meeting in New Delhi today. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, PB Acharya interact with beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat. And Manipur ready for celebration of Diwali. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and a pleasant day ahead.